Okay, now we're going to cook siomai, that is chicken flavor or chicken siomai. Okay, we'll be needing chicken and then this siomai wrapper, ginger and garlic, and also calamansi and flour, salt and pepper to taste. Okay, let's start by chopping the garlic. I prepare yung garlic talaga, fresh garlic compare sa powder. Parang talagang garlic ang lasa. Yan, 5 grams of ginger. So, slicein po muna natin. And then I will be getting the chicken. So, sa chicken po, tanggalin po natin yung skin niya. Ayan. Okay. Kung gusto nyo ichicharon, pwede rin. Ayan. So, we'll be needing the breast part lang po. Ayan, kasi natin yung so pag-slice naman po, parang minced din po, ground chicken. Pero slicing lang po yung paraan ko na gagawin. So, chop po natin ng mas durog. Ayan po. So, ano po ating 1 kilo of ground, freshly grind chicken. Seasoning. Of course, the salt. And then the pepper. And then calamansi. Okay, and then let's put all-purpose flour. Make sure it's even po yung pagka-mix nyo, yung mga bawang and ginger na ka-mix po. And then let's add egg. Ang egg po. Mix up na po ito. Nabalot na po natin yung wrapper. Yung molar wrapper po ang ginagamit for siomai. And then, ito po yung ating what you call this? Steamer. So, lagyan lang po natin ng ganyan. And then, seal lang po. And that's your siomai love for you. Siomai, chicken siomai. And we get 1. So, punuin lang po natin. 13. Okay. And then we will put this in the steamer. Okay. Before turning on the kalan. Okay, so high heat. And then let's wait for mga 20 minutes. Yung 5 minutes, hayaan natin magkulo. And then, pag kumukulo na 15 minutes po before masabi natin na luto na siya. Ayan, ang ating siomai. Balikan po natin after 20 minutes. Okay, after 20 minutes. Ito na po ang ating siomai.